Hello and welcome to Technic Force Learning. In this video, we are going to talk about Facebook Pixel and how to use it for retargeting. First, let us talk about what a Facebook Pixel is. Facebook Pixel is a special JavaScript code from Facebook that you can put on your web page. This allows Facebook to identify the person who's visiting your page if they are logged in to Facebook. With this information, Facebook can allow you to retarget these visitors, so you can show them ads about your products on Facebook, Instagram, and other sites that are in the Facebook partner network. In case you don't know what retargeting is, it's showing ads to people who visited your web page. These can get you a very high return because you already know that the people who visited your site are interested in your product and probably need just a small push to buy. On creating your Facebook ads, first you need to put your Facebook pixel on your website. Then inside of Facebook, you need to set up an audience. Your audience can target a specific web page, a website, or even a group of websites. Once your audience has enough people, you can start running ads to them in Facebook. Retargeting is very powerful, not only for its ability to convince your visitors to make a purchase, but it will also give you the power to get more sales with a minimum amount of investments. In short, you will be able to get a high return of investment in comparison to the usual advertising. It is so amazing, right? But there is a way to exceed the power of retargeting. It is called behavioral retargeting. Behavioral retargeting is retargeting your audience based on the actions they take on your site. Factors like how long did they stay, how much of the page did they scroll, which section did they read, and many more. Based on this information, you can identify the exact people who are best buyers for your products. Facebook doesn't allow you to do this from the Ads Manager, but we have a tool that makes it very easy. It's called Adlify. Adlify gives you a complete behavioral retargeting system, so you can create an audience of super prospect based on how they behaved on your website. This way, you can target the most engaged users on your site, save ad cost, and get higher conversions as easy as possible. If you want to get Adlify, just visit getadlify.in. Let me show you the section of Adlify where you can use retargeting. Select on Facebook Ads account located in the left sidebar and click on the Add New button. You will be directed to your Facebook account to ask you to continue with your account. Hit continue so all of your Facebook accounts will be added. Click on the sync button so all your pixel code count will be synced. Now, let us go to the Custom Audience tab to create a custom audience by clicking on the Add New button. Select your Facebook Ads account, Facebook Pixel ID, enter your audience name, URL contains, and the day's retention. Take note that the maximum days is 180 days. Next, let me explain this filter, which is the main highlight of this feature. Basically, it will automatically target and add your audience that has visited on your website according to this drop-down. For example, let us select time on site is at least 50 minutes. This means that you are targeting visitors who spent on your website with at least 50 minutes. You can also add another refinement. Let me select number of visits is greater than 25 times. So we can now target audiences with a number of visits that is greater than 25 times from our website. Take note that the numbers are always up to you. Click on the Create Audience button so that it will successfully be synced. Going back to the Custom Audience tab, you will now see that your custom audience is now added, and target them when running Facebook ads. Have you learned something today? We also have a bunch of videos and demos on this channel. Take a look and you might also find tutorials about the other apps too, which might help you succeed in internet marketing. Thanks for watching!